Describe the atmosphere at ISA Augsburg as familiar because when you notice it when you come in the door.
You see all the smiling students and all those really enthusiastic teachers, and this atmosphere is just really special here.
For me, ISA is my family. Like, I couldn't imagine my life without ISA. Coming to work every day is meeting students that you know, and it is a very nice environment and atmosphere to work in.
The focus here at ISA as a small school, and in comparison to other schools who offer a wide variety of offerings, would be, I think, that at ISA they focus on the single student. The familiar atmosphere at ISA is visible also in the buildings and the way they are structured, the way all students go through all buildings. And it makes it easy to feel welcome because you see the same people in the two different buildings at ISA. By the way, classrooms whose doors are open very often, so you can take a peek in and see what's happening. If you describe the relationship between teachers and students, that's absolutely familiar.
Kindness, the encouragement, the just all around feeling very familiar with your teachers.
You could describe teachers here as coaches for the students. Coaches in many ways, not just in what they're teaching them.
The relationship was more a friendship than a teacher-student relationship. So again, you can trust them, you can ask for help whenever you need it, you can really tell them anything, to be honest.